The biggest tent city in the world. More than 2 million pilgrims every year. One of the harshest climates on Earth. Saudi Arabia.
Challenging, but we've made it.
لا فخورين جدا ان تم اختيارنا، فخورين جدا بهذا الشيء.
We are very proud to have completed the largest evaporative cooling project in the world.
Hajj is the name for the annual pilgrimage to Mecca, to be performed once in a lifetime by all Muslims. Following the Islamic calendar, which is a lunar one, pilgrimage dates change from year to year. To host this gigantic amount of people, a tent city has been built in the valley of Mina, a few kilometers away from Mecca. A fascinating logistic exercise including 100,000 tents. In order to improve pilgrims' well-being, especially when the Hajj falls in summertime, a renovation program has been initiated by the Saudi government and Ministry of Hajj, including replacement of old evaporative air coolers with brand new, hyper-efficient Breezair evaporative coolers.
When Ministry of Hajj decided to replace the previously installed units, Breezair was competing with 200 other brands. The 3-year tender evaluation saw Breezair and other contenders tested on site during several months. And Breezair outperformed for energy efficiency, performances, and reliability.
Not only Breezair's innovation, durability and economical use of water have been essential for being selected. The ability of Seeley International to supply such a large-scale order within a very short time frame has been necessary for the success of the project.
لا، كان هاجس الحكومة السعودية بجميع الوزارات المعنية أنها تختار نظام مريح للحجاج وفي نفس الوقت موفر للطاقة، لأن مشكلة الطاقة الموجودة، والحمد لله تم توفر المواصفات هذه كلها في نظام أجهزة البريزاير وحققت الشيء المطلوب هذا.
Breezair is keeping them comfortable during harsh summers, providing them with fresh, naturally cooled air. Al Saeed HVAC, distributor of Breezair products for the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, has played a key role in the project, installing, providing water and power supply, and maintaining the units during pilgrimage and servicing them after the Hajj.
كان من أحد أهم أسباب النجاح عمق ومتانة شركة سيلي انترناشونال. مرونة جيدة، سرعة واهتمام بالتعامل، استطاعوا أنهم يتعاملوا مع أكبر مشروع في العالم. فأنا أشكرهم حقيقة على دعمهم وسرعة تجاوبهم السريع لنا.
Seeley International's ever-growing export market, involving more than 100 countries, has been bolstered by this extraordinary export project. The partnership with Al Saeed HVAC has been essential for the success of the installation.
Winning this prestigious contract has allowed us to demonstrate our ability to deliver on a very large project in a very short time frame. We expedited production and delivered all the coolers well ahead of schedule. We are extremely proud to have completed this extraordinary project, and we are ready for the next challenge.